In this video, we're going to learn a coin vanish, and the coin vanish looks a little like this. Gone. Alright guys, so here's how this trick works. The coin's going to wind up in my pocket in almost a lap fashion, okay? And so, a couple things about the pants. I'm wearing black jeans. You need some pants where the pocket can maintain its shape. So as you can see here, I don't know if you can see that or not, but I've got enough room for the coin to slide off my hand and into my pocket like this, okay? So the way that works, and by the way, if you can't get your pocket to, stay open, you can take anything like a wallet or something, so that way it's going to help hold the shape. You could even ball up a napkin and put that in your pocket. But anyway, here's how it works. Coin starts off in the back palm, and I always start off like this. I always take the coin, show it around pretty casually, and I put it here, and I don't draw any attention as to why it's here in this position. Most people aren't suspecting the pocket at all, trust me. Your thumb, I'm going to keep my fingers out of the way here, but your thumb is going to kick back that coin so that it slides and hits right into your pocket, okay? Now, with the fingers shielding that, it's very difficult to see right here. Let me give you this view. Well, this is what it looks like from the front as the coin hits my pocket. From the side view, the coin, like this, my thumb kicks it back, and as soon as it slides off, that's when I pretend to pick it up, put it in the other hand, make a magical gesture, throw some powder dust over it, whatever have you, and that's it. And also, you need to notice also that when I've done the vanish, right, so I'm here and I've done the vanish, I draw attention over here now so that they hopefully forget that it was even near my pocket to begin with. But like I said, nobody's ever called me out on this or nothing. A couple other pointers would be, make sure you're getting the level right. You don't want to be too high or they'll see under. You don't want to be too low, obviously, or that's not going to look good. You know what I mean? So you want to be hovering just a bit above your pocket, and you don't want to be doing what I'm doing. I'm doing it because I can't seem to get this pocket to hold its shape here. If this wallet would stay like somewhere like here, I'd be better off. But nonetheless, one last time here for you. We're here. The fingers come over and shield, the thumb kicks it back. In that motion, everything slides into the pocket, and then you're able to show that the coin has vanished, and then you can go on to doing another magic trick.